So it means in the gaseous phase, the tertiary amines are stronger base than secondary amines and then the primary amines. Basic character of amines in the aqueous solution depends upon the stability of the ammonium cation or conjugate acid formed by accepting a proton from the water, which in turn depends on the number of factors. First is the plus I effect of the alkyl group. Second is the solvation, that is the extent of hydrogen bonding with the water molecule. Third is the steric effect of the alkyl group. Plus I effect of alkyl group. More is the number of alkyl group. More is the dispersal of positive charge on the ammonium cation, and more is the stability of the ammonium cation. It means the tertiary amines are the stronger base, then the secondary, and then the primary. Next is the extent of hydrogen bonding. Greater the number of hydrogen atom on the nitrogen atom, more is the stability of the ammonium cation, because more will be the number of the hydrogen bonds with the water. So it means that primary amines are the stronger base, then secondary, and then the tertiary amines. In case of ammonium cation derived from the tertiary amines, there is some steric repulsion also to hydrogen bonding. Since the stability further decreases, thus on the basis of hydrogen bonding and steric factor, the sequence will be primary amines, stronger base, then secondary, and then the tertiary amines. If the alkyl group, that is CH3, if the alkyl group is CH3, then there is no steric hindrance to the hydrogen bonding. In other words, we can say that the stability of hydrogen bonding predominates over the stability due to the plus I effect of the methyl group. Hence, primary amine is a stronger base than the tertiary amines. The sequence will be secondary, then primary amines, and then least basic is the tertiary amines. But the important point is in the aqueous solution. If the alkyl group is bigger than the methyl group, then there will be some steric hindrance to the hydrogen bonding. As a result, the stability due to the plus I effect predominates over the stability due to the hydrogen bonding. Hence, tertiary amines becomes more basic than the primary amine, and the sequence will be secondary, strongest, then tertiary, and then the primary amines. Thus, today we have discussed about the basic character of amines, but still this topic is incomplete. Tomorrow again we'll be doing this topic.